Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy phone tips and trick you might not know. Okay, let's get into it guys. The first tips I'm going to show you is customizing our flashlight brightness. I'm going to go to my quick setting panel and activate my flashlight. Okay, and now my flashlight has been activated, and if we tap and hold on the flashlight like this, we'll be able to customize the brightness. And I'm just going to increase the brightness. Okay, and if you want to decrease the brightness, you can go left like this. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm just going to click on done. Okay, and that's how we can customize the flashlight brightness. And the second tips I'm going to show you is activating the lift to wake feature. I'm going to go to my settings and I'm going to go to the advanced features. Okay, and go to the motions and gestures, and here guys we'll be able to activate the lift to wake. So if we want to activate our phone, we just need to lift it. We can turn on the screen when we pick up our phone. Okay, you can activate this feature guys. This is one of the hidden features on Samsung Galaxy phone, and actually here you will get the cool features. The other cool features on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You'll be able to activate the double tap to turn on or turn off the screen. It will be very useful as well if you have problem with your power button. Okay, and you can mute with gestures and palm swipe to capture. You can activate all these features to help you with your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and the third tips I'm going to show you is about the assistant menu. This is how the assistant menu looks like. If you have activated this menu, you will be able to get quick access to some features. For example, you can use this assistant menu to take screenshot like this, and you can control your volume using the assistant menu. Okay, you can control your media volume, and you'll be able to change the brightness as well, and you can get cursor on your Samsung Galaxy phone with this assistant menu. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can activate this feature. You can go back to your setting, and then you need to go to the accessibility setting and choose the interaction and dexterity, and here you'll be able to activate the assistant menu. And if you want to edit the items on assistant menu, you just need to click on this option, and then you can select assistant menu items, and these are the items you can add to your assistant menu. Okay guys, and that's all the Samsung Galaxy phone tips and tricks you might not know. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.